What's up everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today it's Sunday. We're going to do some Uber trips. So we have a quest for tonight. 15 trips, so we will get additional $80. So the first order that we got is $36 for Woolies. Unfortunately it's 4 minutes before the quest starts, so let's just do this right now. I'll show you the trips that we're gonna have for today, so stay on the video. Thanks. Alright guys, just a quick update. Total earnings that we got for today is $290.11. So we've been doing Uber since before 4:30 in the afternoon, and now time check, it's already 10:12. So we just finished for today because the stores are already closed. So we did total of almost 6 hours work and $290, so it's already a good day for us. I'll update you on the next video. See ya.